On the eve of New Year 2016, Governor Shanmuganathan, Chief Minister Okromi Bobi and several leaders greet the people of Manipur. 50-year-old man sentenced to 10 years imprisonment and fined 50,000 rupees for raping a mentally disabled girl 10 years ago. And a team of Quality Council of India will visit Imphal in January to decide Swachh Bharat ranking of Imphal. Hello and welcome to the last edition of this year's Primetime English News. I'm Laitengma Monica with the top stories. As the whole world prepares to welcome the new year 2016, the Governor of Manipur, Shanmuganathan, has extended his greeting to the people of Manipur for the new year. In his message, the Governor said a new year is always full of hope and ambition. He said one marches ahead with the conviction that a better tomorrow is holding full of promises for all. It is time for making resolutions enriched with the knowledge and experience of the past. The Governor observed one more year has been added to our earthly sojourn, and while reckoning our deeds in the year gone by, let us affirm our resolve to always stand for peace and harmony in this world, rising above the barriers of caste, creed and religion. Chief Minister Okromi Bobi Singh too has greeted the people of the state on New Year 2016. In his New Year message, Okromi Bobi Singh said New Year is an opportunity to make a fresh beginning and renew our resolve to strive for individual as well as collective well-being. He said, may the New Year bring peace, harmony and progress and happiness to all. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of New Year. Gai Khangam in his message said, may the year 2016 bring peace and harmony in the state. Although the bygone year 2015 was marked with violence and agony, may the new year 2016 be a year without misunderstanding but blockade and a prosperous year.
2015 sahi asisu akoi punamakidi yamna exciting am oi badu ma sahi ni thamjani whatever happened thoki punamakti akoi para amam oina loi lowi mari para duna hojiki lan pham asida hojik haiba present tense da akoi machine khulai ora thenari bani kari damakta tungi generation gi damak achet pa foundation ama thamja hona na ba lakadar sahi 2016 sahi asi sahi anau bala pagumna miyoi bo khan punamakta anau wakhanna nungsi sanaba amaga mateng pangnaba adugumba nungaya ba sahi do oira sunu hadu ani paja singmi tamni punamakna pham da pawje bijari.
Deputy Chief Minister in a meeting with the editors said talks are being initiated with various underground outfits and a final agreement will be expected very soon. However, replying to a query on the Naga Peace Framework, Gai Khangam said the government has been insisting for a white paper of the framework and expressed dissatisfaction over some political parties maintaining silence on the issue. Gai Khangam appealed to all to work together, leaving the political difference on the issue.
Lasting weba solution ama logical conclusion ama laptana ori watai sana ing tamda leirage khani leirna gi damakta solve to na problem yam su issue yam solve to dana ing tamna leirna khona ba step on makto Manipur sakana amadi Manipur da leira praja punamuna welcome to badabadi Manipur gi state amadi state asigi interest so pusu ya oi habise punamak state sakana lete ba state se prajana apambaduni Pazagal limin bani. Adu natra akoi mayam harise. Asigum issue la pakanda political party kharana tumin lai basi kari.
Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister A.K. Mirabai also wished the people on New Year. In her New Year greeting, Mirabai urged the people to move ahead and stand united for the progress of Manipur.
Lamdam masida sotharaba kunai asigi nupi singda miwot minai tawriba amade lairiba aikoina ngasi sotharaba ngasigi differently able loiraba isa singbu khusamnanab chingkhatpiduna amadi jati asigi sotharaba tongan ba kunai singbusu khusamnana chingkhatminaduna aikoi punna thodang yaminabagi wakhalon ado nahona na pokmina tuna lamdam masida nungai yaifaba santi leiba ingna tapna panba leipak ama oiba ngamba ishorna pinabishnu.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thongnaw Jamchauba also wished the people of Manipur on New Year's Eve. In his message, Chauba urged the people to work to achieve peace and progress in the state.
Anova Sahi Amuk 2016 Lakpasida Ing Natapna Panba Manipurama Wahanava Yamna Irang Laitava Kamunen Riot Thon Bidanava Ing Netsikna Panba Arumba Manipurama Wahan Binanava Sorgim Pandasu in Nijari.
Manipur People's Party also wished the people of Manipur on the New Year. In a message, the party wished that the New Year will bring prosperity and strengthen unity among the people. A man accused of raping a mentally disabled girl 10 years ago have been convicted and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. He has been imposed a fine of 50,000 rupees under Indian Penal Code Section 376 today. Sessions Judge Impal West M. Manoj Kumar announced the verdict against Saubam Nauba, 50 years, son of Shyamo from Uripok Achomlekai. Saubam Nauba committed the crime on the night of August 3, 2005 around 9. Relatives of the victim lodged an FIR at Imphal police station on the following day. Saubam Nauba, who was absconding for months after committing the crime, was arrested from a rented room in Guwahati in 2006 and bailed out. Counsel of the victim, Director of Prosecution N.G. Tej Kumar said the judgment will help in preventing crimes against women and children.
Maraibak Thirabi rape victims Singidamakta Ministry of Women and Child Development Government of Indiana financial assistance and support service to victim of rape have a scheme amale. Asigi scheme se makhada ngasi case da victim oikhriben pi macha mima nadrebido magi masamak di leitrabanina magi defendant imung manung gi lehurmi da lupa lakh ani magasu ma pi na bangasi scheme se matungina akoi Larnet Session Judge na hukum de vigre aduna nungai ta thaudo wathok singa se 2016 dagi de akoi aduma thaudo thoktana ba honna minara si haibaga luna na hakna karigumba matung tarapada nupi amade angang sing mayok ta chathawa crime sing leiragadi ayak na makhoi ju chapchaba dandi pina namagi de sem sadun lei.
Milal today threatened to resort to agitation if authorities do not make plans to appoint persons who have passed TET in Meitei Meyek as primary and upper primary teachers. Milal said if the authorities fail to fulfill the demand, then it will launch agitation from February next year. Addressing media persons at his office at Kanglapat, Milal President Moirang Themnaw Khomba Meitei said 3 persons passed the Meitei Meyek TET exam conducted in 2013, but till now the authorities have not appointed any primary and upper primary teachers. Now Khomba Meitei said unless the said 3 candidates are appointed as teachers, authorities cannot appoint ad hoc and Hindi teachers.
Education Department da IS officer, MCS officer kaya marumna lengang mapubu lan lamjing thon leire ba sia khoi khangba ngame marumdi minister na unaba khudingmakta sahi mari manga sida oja hapani haba se mahane tha ba matam tha ba sia khoi masing khangna leire amadi department sing da mari leina ba khoi yingchen ba matam da misak maming di panjara ro hari myo sing ase hojik minister ti email sini am section mathok tai.
Manipur University Students' Union has asked the Manipur University Equivalent Committee to clarify to the students regarding the confusion of a Master of Arts in Education and Master in Education, whether both the subjects are the same or not. Speaking to media persons at Manipur University today, MUSU President Singsuba Manglimton said the students are confused over the subjects. He said the Supreme Court and other scholars have ruled out similarities between both the subjects. Manglimton also asked for clarification over appointment of an assistant professor in the Master of Arts in Education department with the background and Master in Education.
Hoigi Himachal Pradesh ki Public Service Commission da lauba thabakta hoigi MA Education changadaba thabakta MA na changamadagi lauthokpa laikhrabani asugulumba pau laikhraba singasi hoigi authority singna Dean of Social Science na Equivalent Committee na hoi tasinadna lairi athu matamda lakliba January ki tarik 8 ta hariba Equivalent Committee na hoigi authority singna Dean of Social Science na hoigi masigi chapchaba pakhum piraktragadi akoi makhataba khongjang chaksilakani.
Dr. Soibam Ibocha Singh, DIG Range 2, has been promoted to Inspector General of Police, IGP. Dr. Ibocha is a recipient of President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service. He was also been awarded Sahitya Academy Translation Prize 2013, State Academy Literature Translation Award for his translation of APJ Abdul Kalam's Wings of Fire as Khambi Maigi Masa Singh. He has written 3 books in English: Community Policing in the Context of Manipur, History of Manipur Police 33 AD to 2014, and The Game of Rugby. United People's Front UPF will observe the 182nd National Reconsolidation Day, remarking the liberation of Manipur from Awa Burma by Maharaja Gambhir Singh on January 9, 2016. Speaking at a press meet held at its office at Kaisampot, UPF President Soraisam Ratan Kumar said a mass rally will be held on the day from Maharaja Gambhir Singh Memorial, Langtabal, to How Ground, Chingamathak, where a public meeting will be also held. Ratan Kumar appealed to transport associations to help and not to coal burn or block it on the day by any organization.
Lagliba Janawari ki tarik mapanda United People's Front na National Reconsolidation Day haidana ining thau Gambhir Singh gi sahi chamaga marphunithoi suba thoram pangthok sagani thoram asibu mapung phana honabada gari gi oiba mateng pibiu haina United People's Front ki maiketigi thamjari civil organization singna ban blockade tobiganu amadi hairiba thoram asibu manipurda leiriba civil society amadi tokai ba community singna saruk yabiu.
On the other hand, the 10th Mega Marathon under the theme Run for Your Nation Run the Mega Marathon will be held on February 21. Ratan Kumar also added that a new campaign, Our Children and Our Future, will kickstart at every club and school from January 2016. A month-long observance of 76 Nupi Lal concluded today at Nupi Lal Memorial Complex. Senior Advocate of High Court of Manipur Khaide Mani Singh, Nupi Lal Memorial Association Manipur Vice President T.H. Ibemhal Devi and several women leaders took part in the closing function organized by Nupi Lal Memorial Association. The attendees offered floral tributes to the women leaders. President of Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee L. Tilotama strongly condemned the rape of a Manipuri girl in Delhi. United Naga Council UNC has sought immediate intervention of Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh in the indiscriminate firing against civilians by Manipur police commandos on December 27 in Somrei village. In a memorandum submitted to the Union Home Minister yesterday, UNC requested that state forces deployed in Indo-Naga ceasefire areas be withdrawn immediately. Calling for an independent inquiry to be set up to find the truth of the December 27 incident, UNC urged the government to deliver justice to the innocent victims immediately. UNC said in the evening of December 26 at around 7 p.m., a Christmas gathering in K. Somrei Naga village in Senapati and Ukhrul districts under Nongpok Sekmai police station of Thoubal district was disrupted by some police personnel. The Naga body alleged that the personnel had abused, molested, assaulted and maligned the modesty of innocent girls before the public of the village. UNC also stated that on the evening of December 27, one person was brutally beaten up, causing serious injury by police personnel posted at Anupam Bridge Concrete Infrastructure ABCI by Private Limited Company camp at the said village. While reiterating their demand for human rights to be maintained, UNC stated that state-sponsored elements and sabotaging forces should not be allowed to go on unchecked. BJP today rebuffed the allegations made against the party by Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, terming it as a manifestation of his inability to express anything in the hills but bluffing in the valley. Speaking to media at its office at Nitai Pachutek, former SCP President and currently an executive member of BJP, Adim Panmay questioned why Gai Khangam is unable to say anything in the hills. He asserted that people of Manipur should not be carried away by such unfounded remarks against BJP. He maintained that Kai Khangam must not forget the recent defeat in the by-elections which showed mistrust of the people of the Congress party. BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary Administration M. Ashwini Kumar, who also attended the press meet, said Union Railway Minister has expressed his desire to construct a new rail line from Khongsang to Dimapur via Tamenglong district headquarters, and allocation of fund in the next budget is being considered. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam today organized an event at its office at Kaisampat in honor of the media persons of the state. Speaking at the event, Desam President Moirangthem Angamba said Desam has been organizing the function every year to honor the media persons who have been working 24/7 for the welfare of the society. In a shocking incident, a 21-year-old girl from Manipur was raped at Dwarkamore area of Gandhi Chowk, New Delhi. The incident took place on December 29. Delhi police have arrested 2 women and 3 Nigerians involved in the crime. Surprisingly, the 2 women involved in the crime are from Manipur and they are identified as Sorokhaibam Sheila Devi, 32, from Thangmaiban Hizam Diwan Lekai, and Priya Thapa, 34, from Kanglatombi, Santipur. The victim is studying in a college in Jalandhar, Punjab. She came to Delhi to visit one of her cousins. According to a report from Delhi police, the victim was invited to join a party on Tuesday by Sheila and Priya, who are said to be acquainted with the Nigerians. The report also says that after getting drunk, the accused raped the victim. Meanwhile, Sorokhaibam Kaboklei, mother of former husband of Sheila Devi, today revealed that Sheila was thrown out of the house and Thangmaiban Hizam Diwan Lekai 4 years ago. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Sorokhaibam Kaboklei said Ahaibam Sheila from Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi was married to her son Sorokhaibam Santikumar 10 years ago and they had 2 children. She said Sheila was expelled from her house and the locality for her immoral behavior. Kaboklei maintained that she should be punished for her involvement in the rape of a girl in Delhi.
Mache amona loksan basu khoi ngamaroi aduga isa na su mache hanjan ba ngamaroi na hai ado macha su ani hunto mi si yongna bainai je hanjan lanjan adung ga dokje bani mana ya gi da bane ba lekai da munna changba ya roi mung da su mabu loksan bina ba mi je amta tholo roi ba do leibak na dum watim bi ba do leibak na dum
All Manipur Women Voluntary Association has strongly condemned and expressed shock over the rape of a Manipuri student on December 29 in Delhi's Dwarka. The association said appropriate punishment should be given to the accused persons involved in the crime. The 24 Assam Rifles Khuding Thabi checkpost seized about 208 gram of heroin number 4 while checking a Maruti Alto car bearing registration number MN02A4055 this morning around 7:30. The car was coming from Moreh. The powder suspected to be heroin number 4 was found inside 8 plastic shop cases. The person carrying the drug is identified as Zamkholen Khongsai, 26 years, son of Tilzathang Khongsai from Zalzam village in Churachandpur district. 24 Assam Rifle personnel handed over him to Moreh police station along with the car and drug. Maira Paibi members burned 50 litres of country liquor today at Langol. They seized the country liquors yesterday from Lairembi Lekai Bazar Game Village, Zone 4, Langol. President of Thongak Lairembi Masaikon Semgat Sagat Nupilub Yumnam Kamalini said they have been trying to seize country liquor after they got the news of its sale in the area. The liquor was seized from Konsam Aka and Basanta. They have also been asked to close down their shops indefinitely. To curb untoward incidents on New Year's Eve, drives against alcohol are being carried out in many parts of the city. A team of Imphal West Police led by Additional SP LO Dr. S. Ibomcha conducted drives at Lambulen this evening around 5:30. The team frisked vehicles passing the area and seized liquors. The liquors were disposed on the spot. Speaking to media persons, Additional SP Dr. S. Ibomcha said the drive was conducted to reduce the risk of accidents and quarrels resulting from using intoxicants and liquors.
Imphal West District Police na ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯀꯔ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯃꯤ 3 ꯇꯣꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯛꯑꯒ ꯊꯧꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SDPO ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ OC ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ MRꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ SDPO ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ DSP ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯆꯤꯗꯥꯅꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯒꯤ OC ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ SDPO ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯁꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯥꯡꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯪꯒꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
The 34th branch of State Bank of India in Manipur was today opened at Khwaramban Laimaril Sidabi Ima Kaithel No. 1. Speaking at the inauguration of the branch, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai said the branch will help in the economy of women vendors of the market and also appealed to women vendors to develop saving habit by opening saving bank accounts in the bank. She also maintained that women vendors should try to obtain complete information on the kinds of benefits the bank is providing. Chief General Manager RBI Imphal Housel said the SBI branch opened in the market will bring a lot of changes in the lives of traders. A team of Quality Council of India will visit Imphal from January 12 to 14 and its report will decide the Swachh Bharat ranking of Imphal city. Speaking to media persons at Old Secretariat Conference Hall, Mahut Secretary R.K. Dinesh said Mahut and Imphal Municipal Corporation are working on keeping the city clean and appealed to the people of the Imphal to help in keeping Imphal city clean. He also said Imphal has improved in cleanliness in the last few years and ranks 83rd among the 100 Swachh Bharat cities.
Lairiba Imphal sohor si lu nalhan si khara hena phan si ado ngasi khoi January 2016 lakpa sida akhoi gi ministry gi site gi su survey ama lakadori akhoi gi city ranking haidana akhoi city se kayam nan bano kayam phajabano habdu matungina 75 cities manungda akhoi gi rank se kya oigadono habdu su lepkadori bani aduna sigi tanja se lauraga akhoi tung oina chatna ba yaba Imphal se nalhan na ba akhoi praja dagi akhoi sajok nijage praja gi site gi su akhoi na hotna jabasida pangan hapiu.
Mahut's director Git Kumar, who attended the press meet, said the launch of Swachh Bharat mission on October 2014, a team of union will visit different cities of the country including Imphal. He asked the people to keep the city clean before the team arrives in Imphal. Imphal Municipal Corporation Executive Officer N.G. Uttam said the corporation is working to keep the city clean, but there is also the need of people's cooperation.
Government of India na silliba Swachh Bharat ranking gisigi kudong sabas lohuraga akoina na hange khona duna laiba hanadagi phiam yam phagalen khanjariba phatta hudi amora kai patient bagi thabak se tung koiba sustain oiba tawya ba phajaba sohoram ohenba sida prajapuna maki sojok nijari habnat
aikoina honariba kharasida miyamna prajana support pibidragadi mai pakpa ngamoi aduna aikoina thadok jariba NGO jingsisu akhoi mapung marai phadriba mapangan soliba NGO sing yauri club na adagidi imai bel mera paibina mateng pangjallaga akhoi gi yum khudingi soidana akhoi gi NGO da yaunaba yum da amora kai lokthokpa laibasi yum khuding yaugadabani haibana chingbasi laikai club na mateng pangbiraga akhoi bu pungning thogar piu akhoi gi city jinal halachi haiba appeal ji thamjari.
Now news from the world of sports. Korai Polo Club B and Ibudau Thangjung Polo Club A, Kongpal, defeated their rivals in the 31st Ann Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament at Imphal Polo Ground. Korai Polo Club B trounced ex Polo Club Wankai 9-3. CH Premjit scored 3, M. Bedajit and TH Prem Kumar 2 each, while K. Romeo and TH Nanau scored 1 goal each for the winners. In the second match, Ibudau Thangjung Polo Club A Kongpal trounced Eastern Sports Club Nomaibung 11-1. And Doran M. Manihar, also Morjit, KH Tombi, S. Giri Mohan and Mohammad Abdul scored for the winners. The next matches of the tournament, organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, will be held on January 2. THYC Hizam Diwan Lekai won the first mini boys under 35 kg football tournament. THYC defeated LTYDO Lalambung 2-0 in a penalty shootout after the normal time ended in a goalless draw. The tournament was organized by Rising Knowledge Club Khuyathong at the playground of Thangmaiban Tomisana Girls High School, Khuyathong. TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy released its 7th calendar today. The academy has been giving training to young players and produced many national and international players. As part of the calendar release function, the academy presented gifts to 120 elderly persons. A musical concert was also held as part of the function. In the 28th league match of the second plate cricket tournament played today, TCM DC Thongju defeated YWC Patsoi by 5 wickets. Winning the toss, TCM DC Thongju elected to field first. YWC Patsoi were all out for 111 runs in 22.3 overs. In reply, TCM DC Thongju reached the target runs in 28 overs, losing 5 wickets. TCM DC Thongju bowler H. Bubble was adjudged the man of the match for claiming 7 wickets. Manipur Amateur Bodybuilders Association is organizing 2nd Anand Memorial Bodybuilding Championship 2016 on January 2nd at Usavavan Community Hall, Sagolban, Sayang. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. On the eve of New Year 2016, Governor Shanmuganathan, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and several leaders greet the people of Manipur. 50-year-old man sentenced to 10 years imprisonment and fined 50,000 rupees for raping a mentally disabled girl 10 years ago. And a team of Quality Council of India will visit Imphal in January to decide Swachh Bharat ranking of Imphal.